Team bonuses on Lyft. What could go wrong? Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. And today we're going to be talking about something new that Lyft has been, I guess, experimenting with. I'm not quite sure completely. I haven't seen it yet, but I know many people have and are wondering exactly what that is. And this is called team bonuses. So essentially you get a team of people, of drivers, and as they complete rides and as you complete rides, it goes to a total number. And if you hit that amount of rides within the given time frame, you get that bonus. So now this is what it looks like as a screenshot, and it's showing the progress where you have your own rides and you also have your team rides. And then you can see your team down below. So it's split in two different categories. So each one is, in this case, $23 as a bonus. But if you get both, that means you'll get $46 in bonuses. So if you give 26 rides, you will earn $23. That is yours. And if your team gives a total of 146 rides, then you will get another bonus of $23. Now, this seems to be something very similar to something like Ibotta, where if you get so many rewards and then your team or your friends get so many rewards as well, you'll earn a bonus. And it's pretty much the same here. Now, again, this is over a given time frame, so it can change. And then your team is just assigned to you. So it's not something where you can choose different team members or communicate with them in any way. It's just thrown together through Lyft. And I don't know, it seems pretty interesting. It seems like you could earn money based on other people, which is sometimes always a nice thing. But then again, that means if they're not out driving, you probably aren't going to get that bonus. So it is something that's going to be up in the air. But I want to hear what your thoughts are on this particular thing. Do you think that this is pretty good? And also, are you getting it in your market? And what do you see when it comes to your prospective team? Are they completing the challenge? Are you getting the bonus? Are they coming up shy? Is it something that you think is good? Do you like it? Do you not? Comment below, let us know. And I bet you thought the video was over at that point. No. For those who are still watching, we got another little thing that Lyft is showing when it comes to some of the bonuses. So as you see on the screen right now, this is talking about your ride challenge. And you can earn up to, in this particular one, $83 in bonuses. So you have to give 29 rides first and you'll get $48. Once you achieve that, then you will be stepped up to the next level, which is where you give 10 more additional rides and you'll get an additional $35 bonus. So as you see on the bottom, it says how it works. Give a set number of rides. Make sure you meet the minimum number of rides required and you'll get paid. You'll see the bonus after you complete a step in the challenge. So they're getting a little unique when it comes to how they're going to pay out bonuses and different promotions and things like that. Either way, if you get money, that's always a good thing. If you're getting bonuses, if you're getting streak bonuses, and you're using it to your advantage to maximize your earning potential in the least amount of time, well, that's exactly what you want to do. So again, what are your thoughts on this particular thing? And have you been seeing it around? Have you been achieving it? And just your overall thoughts. Comment below, let us know. And if you enjoy getting those promotions, if you enjoy getting those bonuses, make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe and ring the bell for notifications so you'll be notified when new videos do come out. All right, everyone, drive safe.